Hello guys, this is Jeff from GoPro Do It. Today we have a Peugeot 308 1.6 TDI. We're gonna change the oil, motor and filter on this car. It's an easy process, you can do it by yourself. This is the filter in here. I'm gonna lift the car and unscrew the nut to drain the oil and then fill the oil. It takes like 4 liters and we're gonna change the filter. Got these bolts so we can get to the nut.
Jerusalem, ikayalami.
The 27mm.
Shilana Jerusalem ikayalami ilonoloze uhambe nami.
It is extremely important to change the couple ring. This is the old one.
Alikolana buso wami awukolana ilonoloze.
Gonna fill the oil. I use the 5W30 as per the manual. SAE fully synthetic. To reset the service, we're gonna push this button and turn on the ignition. And as you can see, there is like a timing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We turn on the car and the service is reset.